10 subjects, 180 questions, 100 formulas, all tested on one single day, and we are here with just 1 month left. I would have been horrified if I hadn't completed my revision at least once by now. Well, even if you didn't, let me help you create a study plan that might help you optimize the time that is left. Here are 5 last minute tips and tricks which might help you increase your chances to clear your CFA examination. Number 1, reading the CFA curriculum is never enough. You'd always feel that you've missed out something. So what I would recommend here is that you practice a lot of questions in the 1 month time period that is left. Make good use of the candid resources provided by the CFA Institute on its website. The back questions at the end of each chapter are very useful. And lastly, the question bank that you must have received along with your revision notes would also serve the purpose. Do not use printed mocks and banks to practice questions. The examination would be computer based, so make sure whatever practice you do is on the same. Number 3, while attempting the mock test, start and end the paper with the easier subjects, and the tougher subjects should come in the middle hours, because at that point in time your mind is most calm and you'd be able to think better. You can pretty much apply this formula on the exam day too. Number 4, learn a lot from the questions you get wrong. Read the description as to why that particular answer you got wrong. I did it for the right answers as well. The last 10 days are very crucial. I used to divide it in a ratio of 6:4, whereby in the first 6 days I used to practice a lot of questions, and on the last 4 days I used to go through the entire curriculum once again. In case you're still facing difficulties, feel free to visit www.valuestream.com. We have notes, question bank, all the videos under one roof. I hope this was helpful, and feel free to share this video with your friend who is going to appear for the CFA Level 1 examination in the next 30 days.